Hi, welcome back to Shallow Bottoms DIY Mix. On our last video, we showed you how Jeff turned an ordinary aluminum fishing boat into a shallow water jet boat. Now we're back to show you, it's real windy out here, so bear with me. We're back to show you how well this thing works on water. So that being said, let's get it started, Jeff. And I think Reba may want to go too. Reba's my dog. But this boat is like really good for fishing because it can get in places that some boats can't, because Jeff's got it where it will go over into shallow water, and like those stobs that's out here on the waterway, you see a bunch of them sticking up. Some of them is just like barely under the water surface, and Jeff can just go right over the top of those. Before he fixed this boat, he could not do that. He would get, kind of hung up on the top of a stob and have to take his paddle and work his way off of it. So you want to go ahead and crank it up and
now I can get in.
Well, I was thinking that if I record it from outside, yeah, they would be able to see it better. Because if I get in it, yeah. And we don't prepare ourselves for these videos. We just make them.
Come on, roll up. You got a head to you doing. Whoa.
The sun is so bad that it's hard for me to see the screen. So I hope I'm recording the right thing.
You gonna get out? I dropped her.
She normally decides to go. You're not gonna ride, Reba? Ride in a boat? Too windy today, ain't it? I didn't think about how I was walking and shaking the phone. I don't know if he will go fast today or not, but that thing will go pretty fast. Ooh, that sun's so bright. He's got like a little obstacle course out around those stumps that sometimes he'll go really fast. And anyways, it's sort of like when you see in a race car or something and you're going really fast down one of those obstacle courses, other than he's in a boat. I think he may be having some trouble out there. Let me see if I can get closer. That's our luck to have trouble on the day that we're trying to make the video. It normally runs good. think happened to it?
I think I ran out of gas.
Oh, no, you didn't. Like I said, we are not prepared. Jeff, he's a joker. And I'm always saying Jeff. I don't think I've really introduced myself. I'm not sure. Anyway, my name is Regina. Here we go. I don't know what he did, but here we go. I almost fell. I stepped in a hole. Let me see if I can zoom in. It may be too blurry like that. I wish I had a thought and told him to kind of stay away from the sunlight. It's so bright on that water. But you see how he's like going out in around those stobs out there? I really can't tell exactly where I've got this phone aimed. Honestly, the sunlight, it is like my whole screen is just dark. If you're just tuning in and want to know how Jeff turned his boat into a shallow water jet boat, then you should watch the video we made before this one. In that video, the title on that one, let's see. It's bad, I can't remember the exact title I wrote down. I wrote it down, let's see. Anyway, I think the title was Turn an Ordinary Aluminum Bass Boat into a Shallow Water Jet Boat. And that's listed under this channel, Shallow Bottoms DIY Mix. But on our next video, we're going to show you how a portable sawmill works. Jeff will give you a breakdown of the sawmill and how it can be adjusted, like for certain wood thickness. Anyway, sorry about the delay there. I thought the boat had quit again. But anyways, yeah, he'll show you like wood thickness, and he'll do like actual sawing so you can see it in action, and then see how beautiful and awesome the wood turns out. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous wood. So try and check us out. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you hit or click on the bell on the right side, I believe, YouTube will let you know like upcoming videos whenever they're posted. So if you want to know about the sawmill, Jeff has it's a pretty nice portable sawmill that he recently got, and he's been out there working a lot with the wood and stuff. And some of that, the cedar wood that he's cut, gosh, it's so beautiful. And like just the scrap off of it makes really good, craft wood, or for furniture, crafts, whatever you want to do with it. I just love it. But thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video, and we hope you have a great day. God bless you. Bye-bye.